Guys, what's up? It's Mark. Today is Tuesday, April 2nd, 2019. I just want to give a big shout out today and say thanks to every single one less. Bloopers is going to be at the end of this video, so stay tuned and watch. Just want to give you a shout out about, you'll see what's going to happen at the end of the video with all the bloopers. Just want to give a big shout out to every single last one of you for making me reach my goal today on this day at my 5,000 subscriber mark. Honestly, I want to give a big shout out to every single last one of you, all my commenters, all my like button, all my subscribers, even all my haters. I don't care. Who cares? I learned from it. Everybody makes mistakes. Everybody learns, and that's the greatest part about it. With that said, I want to show you this 2014 Chevy Silverado 1500 LT with a set of Rockstar 2 wheels on it that we're going to be changing up a little bit. So we got a set of Rockstar 2. They're 20 by 8.5 wheels right here, okay? And I already bought the new set of wheels. Bought a set of razors, 20 by 10s? Yeah, 20 by 10 razors. You'll see them, they're pretty kick-ass looking. And the only thing I want to do with this truck otherwise is black out the grille, the front bumper, and the housing or chrome bezel housing around these headlights right here. You can go, you guys can either go one of two ways. I have a lot of questions about that also. You can go one of two ways about doing that. Most affordable way and cheapest way, doesn't last the longest, is vinyl wrap. So you can vinyl wrap this. A lot of the trucks I had, like, I think my Toyota has it. Let me just check. I think Mr. Toyota over here has a vinyl wrap somewhere. No, maybe not. Maybe that was a different truck. Different truck. Anywho, you can vinyl wrap it. Only problem with vinyl wrapping, guys, is in these really hard to mend crevices right here, the vinyl with heat, cold, heat, cold, heat, cold eventually comes undone. Air pocket creates in there, and then it starts to warp and then come undone. So vinyl wrap still looks good. It's also a good solution as far as trying to change the color on your vehicle or get rid of those unsightly chrome bumpers and chrome accents on your truck. Second best way that I always do is get it painted. A lot of your painters won't really want to do that because chrome is a very, very, very slick surface, and you need to, when you paint, you need to have scuffed it up a little bit to make sure the paint will adhere to the surface. Chrome is hard to do that. So anyways, you only get some paint guys that'll do it. I get mine freaking grinded to hell, scuffed to hell, and really painted really nice. Put a lot of money and time into it, so that's what I do. But anyways, that's what's gonna go on with this truck right here. So black front end, the razor wheels, and keeping the tires on here. Also, a little gift for you guys. I don't know if it's gonna help or not. The best thing I could do, because I really can't pinpoint my 5,000th subscriber, or maybe I can. If I can, let me know in the comments below how I can do that. If there's a little like number on who is a subscriber at this moment in time. I want to post a Craigslist ad and clean these wheels up. These are, like I said, a 20 by 8.5, 6-lug Chevy wheel. So in the comments below, I'm going to put the Craigslist link to these wheels. I'm going to put it super pretty cheap. So if you guys want to buy them, they're going to be in the link below. And there we have it. Hope you guys like this video. Subscribe. You'll see at the end of the video the bloopers right here. Hey, check it out. Ascending order. Small, medium, big Dodges come in your butt. All Cummins except for that one right there. But anyways, this is Mark. Hey, look, Anthony, check it out. It's Mr. Monster Truck back here. Getting detailed later on and going to the paint shop to get all this stuff fixed. Look how much sun has been getting on this sucker. I can't even reach it. Hold on. All right. Look at all the clear coat peeling off. Damn. So I'm getting it painted. But anywho, awesome. I love you guys. Today's gonna be a kick-ass day. My 5,000 subscriber to my YouTube channel. I really appreciate it. Honestly, guys, without you, I wouldn't be here. Comment how I can make some better crazy-ass videos and cool stuff. If you guys want to see some stuff done or something trial and error, if you're afraid to do it, I'll do it. So holler at me in the comments below. Hope you guys are having a great day. Subscribe. Peace out. This is Mark signing out. Guys, what is up? It's Mark. Check this out. Today is Tuesday. Is it Tuesday? Can't check my phone because it's on freaking airplane mode. Son of a monkey nuts. Guys, what is up? Happy... I don't even freaking know what day it is. Golly. Tuesday, I think. Today's Tuesday, April 2nd, 2019. You guys see how many retakes I do when I edit all these videos? It takes a while. Anyways, let me start this over again. Somebody say 5,000? That's right, because today, probably by the end of I can't even freaking speak today. Shit. Excuse my effing language. Guys, what's going on? It's Mark. Check it out. 5,000 today subscribers is going to be... fuck, how should I word that? God damn it. Guys, what is up? It's Mark. Check it out. Today is... Guys, what's up? It's Mark. Check it out. Today is 5 February 5,000. Shit. Guys, what's going on? It's 5,000. Fuck. Guys, what is up? Today is a very special day. This is approaching my 5,000 subscriber mark. That's right, 5,000 subscribers. Thanks to what? Hey, we're on YouTube. Thanks to... Yep, that's right. Thanks to you guys on YouTube. Just want to give a shout out and say I really appreciate every single last one of you. Without all of you, I couldn't have done it. And I hope that we've established a good grounds as far as, you know, shit.